Hey kids, welcome to Lesson 9, Looping and Random Numbers. Test your knowledge, question 1. This is a code trace. In 1 to 2 sentences, explain what you think the following code does. Let's take a look. The first line here says pen up. This means that I'm going to stop drawing or move up. The next we have a variable or a loop. This is going to loop 100 times whatever's in here. The first line is pen RGB, and this has a random number 0 to 255, random number 0 to 255, random number 0 to 255, and a 0.5. So it has 4 parameters. The first, second, and third correspond to red, green, and blue, or colors that make up everything we do. 0 to 255 refer to the bytes, 0 being off, 255 being totally on. The last value, 0.5, is alpha, or opacity. 1 is completely solid, 0.5 is transparent, 0 would be see-through. The next line we have here is move to. We have a random number 0 to 320, random number 0 to 450. I'm going to assume this corresponds to our workspace that we've been working on, which is 320 pixels by 450 pixels. So this is simply X and Y coordinates. It's going to move to a random spot. Finally, down here, we have dot. And this has a random number 1 and 20. So 2 parameters there, 1 and 20. I'm not really sure where that's going to go to. I assume that's going to be a size. So it's going to make a number, a width between 1 and 20. So I think when I put this all together, what's going to happen is I'm going to get a bunch of really neat, colorful dots that's going to bubble up the screen 100 times. So how should this be answered? Well, it should be answered by saying that the screen will be filled up completely with colorful dots. It'll be randomly picked. The color will be completely random, and the size will be completely random. And this will happen 100 times. We're probably going to test this out in the next lesson, so why don't I meet you over there? See you soon, kids.